A sound you love. I like the nature sounds. The whistling of the wind, the bristling of the rain, the sizzling of the trees. Everywhere, the nature is emitting lot of different types of sounds around us. But as a poet said, we have no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare. Yes, we are very busy in our daily activities to earn money. In that process, we forget to take a look around us and to enjoy the nature's beauty, the sight, the sound. The nature offers the feeling of happiness to all our five senses without understanding that we are searching for the happiness outside. Happiness is always there inside us. If we look deep into our own self, we will find out that our consciousness and total consciousness are one and the same. If we could merge with total consciousness and get a feeling of happiness, then definitely all our worries will go away. And we will get that relaxed mood, which will make us to enjoy the nature around us. Yes, nature is there to take care of us. Nature is there to entertain us. Nature is there to teach lessons to us. Those sounds are definitely very, very relaxing sounds which will give us a lot of happiness. Enjoy nature. Thank you.